it was me, that would go right away. Yeah. 11 to 15. Get the fuck out of my porch, motherfuckers. Come on, baby, this way. I mean, I cannot let you go now, okay? Because there's lots of cars coming this way, okay, Oreo? Okay, baby? But we could go this way for right now. You know, my baby Oreo? We go this way? Yes. Baby and Dada go this way, right? Right, baby? My baby, my Dada. The baby and the Dada. The baby and the Dada, baby. The Dada, baby, baby, baby. Oh. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come here. Let me get this. Let me get. Come on, baby. This way. Oreo. This way, this way, this way. Come on, Oreo. This way. Stay by Dada. Okay, see. 11-minute timer.
11 minutes. Counting down.
Okay, okay. What is it, baby? My baby boy. Hey, my baby. I got 11 minutes to make it over there. All the way over there, baby. To 11 minutes. You think we make it, Oreo? Baby, Dada make it? 11 minutes? Oreo. My baby boy. Baby boy. My baby. Oreo. Come on, Oreo. For the log to get bigger and bigger. Come on, Oreo. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, come here. There's a friend coming, Oreo, baby. I didn't even notice. There's a friend. Okay. Stay friendly, okay? He don't mind. No. He don't bite, no attack or nothing. He's very friendly. Yeah. Right, baby? Are you friendly? Are you the friendly baby? Are you the friendly baby? My baby boy. Are you my baby boy friendly? Are you my friendly baby boy? Stay by dada. Stay by dada, okay? Stay by dada. Okay, this is the other part of Kingston, the other side of the dike to Kingston. It's a beautiful place. I've never been here. Never ever. This is my first time ever coming to this place. And I've been living in the area for a while now, but never ever been here. Hey, my baby boy. My baby. So we're on this side of Kingston, going towards Pierce Street. We probably won't even make it all the way to Pierce Street, but we'll probably just come right back the same route. We probably end up going back to the from here to the car because it's getting dark anyways, and our walk should be done by then. Yes, right, Oreo? Yeah. Me and Oreo are walking. I'm taking Oreo for a walk with me, so we could enjoy a little bit of the walk. We'll probably make it all the way to Pear Street. We could make it under the bridge maybe. We have a lot of fun. Oreo and me will have a lot of fun. Right, Oreo? Right, Oreo macaroni? Yeah.
Do you bite?
No, he's friendly.
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he's very friendly. Yeah, and most of the
He'd rather lick you than to bite you.
yeah, and he would just continue to his own like that.
Dogs are.
Yeah.
Now, if we did that, we'd be arrested.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah. 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 Right, baby? I love you. Oreo, I love you. But I love you. I love you. So we got about 20 more minutes of video going this way. I'm just hoping we could make it to Pierce Street. I'm not sure if we're gonna have to come back. Once we make it to Pierce Street, we're probably gonna have to come back this way. I'm not sure. What's my timer? Oh, 20 seconds. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Yeah. 8 minutes. Right, baby? Right, my baby boy? Yeah. Right, Oreo. Oreo. Macaroni, Oreo. Oreo, Oreo. 8-minute timer.
8 minutes. Counting down.
Oh. Oreo. Oreo, Oreo. Oreo baby. My baby boy. Oh, that's the river Oreo. Is that the river Oreo? Yes. It looks like the river Oreo. Oh. Got 8 minutes to make it over there. Yeah. It goes under anyway. Yeah, because I remember coming. Yeah, I'll probably make it all the way today. To Market Square Bridge, huh? I don't know. Oreo. Is it new Oreo? Is it new coming over here, Oreo? Is that a new Oreo to you? Yeah? Yes, baby Oreo? I see. It's new to you, huh? That's nice. Oh, yeah. Smoking on my porch. Smoking rocks on my porch. Yeah. Oh, something icky out of that. Oh, process water or something. Oh. Oh God. Ugh. It's very stinky, Oreo. That place stinky caca. Very stinky caca, Oreo. Oh my God. Oreo. That place very baby stinky, Oreo. Oh, Oreo. Oh, I got an idea. We could make it from here down over there. Okay, Oreo? You wanna do that, Oreo? Yes, I think so. I think we could do that, right, Oreo? Right, baby? Oreo. You wanna do that, Oreo? Yeah, maybe yes. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oreo. Come here. Come on, Oreo. Come on, Oreo. Oreo. Come on, baby. Give me. Come on. Dada get you. Dada got my baby. Okay, come on, baby. Now we go this way. Really fast. Oh, God. Oh, my baby boy. My baby. My baby boy, baby. Oh God, baby. I'm gonna make it over there, all right, Oreo? 20 minutes ago. Miss face audio. Oh, wow. Oh, 52, 48, 40, 40, 30. 3 minutes. Oh. Three minutes. Oh, 5 minutes. So, yeah, so 5 minutes. Right, Oreo? We go this way. We go that way. Don't start way, okay, Oreo? My baby boy. Yes, baby? Does that let you go right here? You stay by Dada? Baby? Yes, baby? Stay by Dada, baby? I think over there would have been nicer to go over there. I think it would have been nicer to get over there, baby. Let me see, baby. Okay, come on, baby. Stay by Dada. Oreo. Oreo. Stay by Dada. Come here, this way. This way, baby. Come on. Come on, baby.